nation under God, indivisible, liberty and justice.
For any executive sessions. Proclamations first, and then public comment.
Oh, you want to do that?
Yeah, let's do the proclamations
Are
first.
you gonna? You know, make a difference, and then we proclaim. So I don't know if you guys see the motion on that.
Or don't take a motion.
Yeah.
Now, you can vote for it. Make a motion, or we.
Just declaring the.
Okay, we'll just do the first one first. Let's get a motion for Schuylkill Make a Difference Day.
I'll make that motion, sir.
Second.
Question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
And then we have Schuylkill County, Schuylkill Make a Difference Day. Whereas National Make a Difference Day is set for October 25th, 2025, marking the 30th campaign in Schuylkill County. And whereas working together to involve your services can help solve serious social problems in our communities. Whereas Schuylkill County's enthusiastically support Make a Difference Day in the past 29 years has resulted in national, state, regional, encore, and special promotional awards. Whereas the Senior Volunteer Program of Schuylkill County's Office of Senior Service and the Tucson School District, my hometown, are encouraging specific volunteer activities that will make a positive, long-lasting difference in Schuylkill County lives, Schuylkill County residents. Now therefore be it resolved that we, the Board of County Commissioners, do hereby proclaim Sunday, October 25th, 2025, Make a Difference Day in Schuylkill County. And we urge our fellow residents to answer the call to improve life for everyone in the world thereby, reaffirming that each of us can make a difference. So I want to just congratulate Charlotte Calvin for doing this program and Megan Fonts for the TWAPA program. I don't think I was for a key role. You know, it's very important to, think about your community. They raise canned food because now seniors are sick. And it's a necessity of life we eat, and we appreciate everything you do. It being my home school, my hometown, this one's more better. So thank you for everything. I want to thank you for the school district and your students.
Yeah, I just want to. It's been a big week for Tamaqua. Mr. Hess and I were there last night. They just dedicated a new real estate agency, Richard Ryan and the Vince Boyle. And Tamaqua got a cruise, $2 million cruise check yesterday. So it's so you see young people. I mean, a lot of the organizations revolve with their people that are my age or older, but to see some young faces, some young people that want to make a difference, and that's very reassuring for me as a father and grandfather. So congratulations.
That's definitely, as far as our young people, it's nice to see that you're looking to give back to the community, other people in need. Also from all ages that make a difference, from the RSVP program to everywhere across the county. There's a lot of people contributing, from service organizations to just individuals helping each other and helping each other neighbors. So again, you're showing the light of the new generation moving forward, and hopefully that your peers will take control and do the same thing to build and to help others to make a better Schuylkill County. So thank you very much.
Office of Senior Services, I just want to say thank you so much. The 27 years that I've been at the agency, they have done this twice a year. And it's so helpful to our seniors in all the service agencies.
Great. Thank you.
Congratulations.
So you want to, how do we do this for official? Over there. What? Yeah, whatever. Right here. Okay, no. Well, you're happy.
There you go.
Or do that.
I said.
Oh.
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you. Last year too.
Oh, Josh.
Yes, the end of the new first, it was right there.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Yes.
My husband's also a teacher, Mr. Evans, at the elementary school.
Mike Murphy is my. Or Mike, I don't know what he means, Uncle Leonard.
Yeah.
So, Amber's gonna eat six buddies.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. A lot of things.
Maybe they wanna do it. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's, public comment.
Or Laura.
Or,
Good morning. We have to get the chat around.
Get it back in class, right?
yeah, and back to
Get it
the
back in
wall.
class.
Bravo, okay. Good morning, Laura Kuzinowski, City of Placerville. The Supreme Court of Pennsylvania's website reads in pertinent parts that all self-represented litigants be held to the same standard as an attorney admitted to the bar. Representing yourself, and this is also a direct quote, representing yourself does not exempt you from understanding or following statewide and local rules of court. Therefore, any citizen needing to file his own case is a newly unlicensed attorney, not really admitted to the bar, but presumed to know the 4,000 rules of court procedure and the matching local rules, how they work. The rules of court are the 4,000 keys mandated to unlock the alleged holes of justice. Generally, it is known by the Supreme's bench, which is lawyers in black robes and bar, that most persons not representing themselves, but allegedly are themselves, John and Mary Doe, are likely unable to afford a lawyer. John and Mary are known to be ignorant of the standards of a licensed attorney, likely unable to wade through the Latin terms and the uncommon usage of the words, and the process and procedure that operates like a gentleman's fencing match. Pennsylvania Civil Rule number 109, presumption of ascertaining the intent of the Supreme Court states in pertinent parts, the Supremes do not intend a result that is absurd or impossible of execution, intends a just, speedy, and inexpensive determination in all cases, and concludes with the disclaimer, the Supremes do not intend to violate constitutions. How is it possible for John and Mary to get justice? Pennsylvania Constitution, Article 1, Section 11 reads, all courts shall be open, and every man for an injury done him in his lands, goods, and persons or reputation shall have remedy by due course of law and right and justice administered without denial or delay. Suits may be brought against the Commonwealth in such manner, in such courts, and in such cases as the legislation may direct. By demanding John and Mary Doe be held to the same standard as licensed attorneys, isn't the Supreme Court rewriting Commonwealth Constitution, Article 1, Section 11, by causing denial of open courts through unreasonable practice with the blockage of the right and with blocking right and justice to be administered without sale, denial, and delay? Is this the reason why the court has put in a disclaimer? On December 1 of 25 at 10 a.m. in courtroom number 7, I will be before Judge Goodman, and I would certainly like to invite anybody who wants to come to my tax assessment appeal to attend open court. Thank you.
Any other public comment?
Or George.
And Laura, you have a remedy this year. So yes, to retain the Supreme Court justice, or no to retention of the Supreme Court justice.
I forgot a sentence. Please fact check me, number one, and think of the current conditions before voting for incumbents. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is George Stankovich from Palo Alto, and yes, I missed the last couple of weeks. Sorry about that. But the mall yesterday, if you didn't know, that's what Seniors Day up there. There's many, many people up there. I didn't get a chance to talk to one of my friends, Mr. Torzik, and I'm sure he was glad not to talk to me. But I was going to ask him one question. Do you think it's right for people to get paid that don't do a job. It's, what is it now, 100 and some days now, 114 days today. The state has not had a budget. 114 days. If I had a job, I did do my job for 114 days. You know how many paychecks I would have had? Zippo. And my benefits would have been cut off and everything. I think this is what people have to realize, that these gentlemen make the laws and they suit themselves first. And that's a problem. They are sworn that they're going to represent people and take care of the people. If they don't do that, then they're not doing their job. Plain and simple. Now we're going to spend $230 million to add a hall, a banquet hall, onto the White
But
House.
hold on,
I know.
they are donating for, I just, this misinformation.
Okay.
They wanted a hall on the White House since it was built, original plans had a grand hall. When they have an event, they put up tents.
What's it going to be called?
What?
What's the hall going to be called?
It's not gonna be called Trump's Hall, it's gonna be a hall, cause it's the White House, it's the people's house. And there's private donations paying for it, not the taxpayers.
Okay.
So
And it's just.
that's just the CNN talking point.
Okay, and I'm just saying this, okay, it's just assuming that if we're talking $240 million, and you're saying that, and I heard that.
Yeah.
But isn't it funny, he sued for $230 million. And who is he suing? He's not suing them, he's suing the American people because it's gonna be coming out of the tax money, okay? Now, he's saying he's gonna give it to charity.
I believe you will.
Well, that's here or there. We don't know. You don't know that, I don't. And I'm just telling you, it's just funny that certain things happen. I'm more worried about people having a roof over their heads and food in their stomachs than building a hall right now. I understand what you're saying. If that's not American people putting that money in other than donations, if that's the reason, way it's done, and I don't they vote on this, or I don't understand. And they're not in Congress right now. Nobody's in Congress. Nobody wants to do a job. So how the heck did he? I mean, how is it going on right now? I don't understand that. It can't go on now. You have more worries about people losing their homes and not eating. That and your medical bills. Look at where that is. Okay, and they're arguing who's right, who's wrong. And this is ridiculous. I'm tired of it. I'm just tired of it. I don't know where they're getting their information from, but it isn't from the American people, because they want help and they're not getting it. Seniors and veterans, that's who should get the help. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other public comment? Can't go get water.
I just wanted to remind you that in 2019, I came before you and told you that this food problem was going to be happening. And I asked them, have a Zoom meeting.
Thank you. Okay, can I have a motion to approve the minutes from the October 8th meeting? So moved. Second. One question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes. The motion to approve the work session will be.
Second?
One question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes. The motion to approve was presented by the grant writers at our work session.
Second?
One question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
There's an update on the law library. I asked them to see if they could get a better rate. The company came down to 4%, so can I have a motion to approve what the law library requested instead of 5% of 4%?
So moved.
Second?
One question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
The motion to approve presented by Children and Youth at our work session. One question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
The motion to approve was presented by the Office of Senior Service at our work session.
Okay.
One question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
The agricultural conservation district. And I have a motion to approve what was presented on behalf of them.
So move.
Second.
No, that's fine. That's fine. You're good. That's fine.
That was coming later.
Okay. One question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
Can I motion to approve what was presented by 911 Communications?
So move, sir.
Second.
Any question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
Can I motion to approve what was presented by real estate engineering, planning and zoning?
So move, sir.
Second.
Any question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
Can I approve, the appointment of Warren Emmerich on behalf of the county administrator?
So move, sir.
Second.
Any question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
Can I motion to approve the treasurer's report?
I make the motion after the corrections made.
Second.
Any question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
Finance office.
Good morning, Commissioners. We have 4 items for informational purposes. Budget adjustment of $3,179 for the court systems for office materials for the automation fund. We have a $5,675 adjustment from solid waste management. This is for professional services, 90% of which is covered by outside funds. We have a $23,000 adjustment to the district courts. This is to cover the increase in postage expenses. And then finally, the Office of Senior Services, we have a $982,000. This is an annual realignment that they make to ensure that the budget authority is in line with their grants.
Solicitor's office.
No, there's one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. we need a
Motion to approve the. No, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we need a motion to approve the solicitor's office.
So move, sir.
Second.
No question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
Human resource office.
Yes, good morning, Commissioners. In Children and Youth, we have the promotion of Tricia Moyer Mintz as County Caseworker 2, rate is 23.0551, effective 11/3/25, coming from Caseworker 1. In the prison, we rescind the appointment of Jennifer Luna, Correction Officer, part-time. In the Commissioner's Office, transfer of Kim Mashak, Chief Clerk, at the rate of $18 an hour, 11/3/25 is the effective date, coming from Interim Chief Clerk. And also in the Commissioner's Office, the appointment of Linda Dietrich as Chief Clerk per diem at the rate of $35 an hour, effective 11/3/25. In addition, we have some informational items in court administration, the appointment of Cheryl Bender as a Secretary 2 per diem. Rate is 15.0924, effective 10/27/25. And in the Controller's Office, the appointment of James Banzik as Accountant Auditor Associate, the rate is $43,411, effective 11/3/25. All appointments pending drug test and physical where appropriate, and all actions involving salary or for positions being created are pending salary board approval. That is all.
Then motion for the children, youth, prison, commissioner's office. And
So move, sir.
Second.
the question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
New business.
Before we go through new business, there's an item on behalf of Ag Conservation. I'd like a statement. I am abstaining from agenda number 17 on the new business related to agricultural conservation easement for Richard and Lori Henderson. I view it as a conflict of interest to me because I have a family connection with Richard Richards. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we'll get to that. Go ahead, first part.
The county prison approval of contract with Montrose County to house Schuylkill County inmates in the Montrose County prison. The initial contract will be for 1 year, with no time renewal unless terminated by a 6-day written notice by either party. The daily rate will be $75.
I'll make the motion, sir.
Second.
A question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
On the second agenda item on behalf of the agricultural conservation district, it is my understanding that no county funds or anything went into this, and it's all state and federal money. That's correct. Farms were randomly chosen, and it creates a cluster of farms within that area now that are preserved. That'll be like, it's like 5 farms. That's correct. That are preserved, so there'll be a Walmart there or warehouse or whatever. Can I have that? Okay, hold on. I need a motion. So I'll second it. On the question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Abstain.
Correct, and Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
I'll be happy. Human resources.
Yes, commissioners, I'm seeking approval of a rate increase for the Venistar retiree prescription drug plan number 2197 monthly premium. Will increase from $303.10 to $320.10 per person for the period January 1, 26 through December 31, 26. This is a 5.61% increase for the plan year. And also approval for the Venistar retiree prescription drug plan number 6591. The monthly premium will increase from $206.80 to $218.40 per person for the period January 1, 26 through December 31, 26. This is also a 5.61% increase.
Can I have a motion on this?
So, sir, second.
On the question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
I have a motion to adjourn.
So,
Just so everybody knows, the November retirement board meeting will be held a week early on Thursday, November 6th. On salary board, there's no commissioners meeting October 29th. The first two commission meetings in November on a Thursday, November 6th and November 13th, because of the holidays.
one quick thought. Yes, you did some research. Union Township, how many farms are now? Yep, I can actually add some information for you. How many are, we told? You got it. 3 people. Yeah.
So on the large piece has all of the executive area information. I think it's just over, actually executive, I didn't actually look at that one specifically. It is highlighted there on there for you. In terms of preserved farms, Union Township, just over 150 meters. Currently. With this addition, it would be just over or just under 1,200. So we're as far as townships that have preserved farms, they are one of the leading townships within the county for preserved farms.
That project started, I was involved with the committee that went out, every landowner was eligible, and we signed up 4,200 acres worth of land when it first started. So about a fourth of our township now is, so you won't ever see a Walmart or a big box warehouse or.
Right.
That's been my personal passion to make sure that it never happens to our productive farmland at that township. Like we said, we need economic development. We need solar, we need wind, we need all these good things, but you have to have some places to raise some food. So.
Well,
Yeah, I'll say there is one farm coming up, this year that I got an application for, also in Union Township. About 180 acres, very close to this farm as well. That will also be most likely selected in the coming years. So
That'll be part of that cluster.
continuing part of that cluster.
But I got a call from the landowner. I went to high school with her. She was upset because PPL was gonna put a substation on her.
Yep.
I said, well, the best thing you can do is enroll in the reservation program. That'll take that away. So
well, we need substation.
I know, but there's other places.
Yeah. So I just wanted to recognize passing of former mayor of Boston, that includes passed away last night, sadly. You know, part of the party, mayor of Boston, long, you know, people championing Boston like crazy. One of his big things was raising money for the lights, for the Christmas lights in Boston. So Dave will be sadly missed, and his leadership of the hospital. So I just want to recognize that.
No, I had the opportunity to work with Dave many times through when he was in council and also through as the mayor. He was a good leader. Definitely worried about the city of Pottsville and worked towards it. I've worked with many mayors over the years, whether it was through our JC group or whatever, both on both sides of the aisle. The city of Pottsville is our county seat, and I know his heart was in the right place along with many others that followed him to do that, and again to move things forward. And he was a great businessman. He was a great contributor to the car show here. He was a big one that continued that, and which was his group. So he'll be sadly missed. He was a gentleman and also a true leader.
Yeah, I'll echo those comments too. I got to know Dave, becoming commissioner and also through the Republican Party. And all this what he said was just 100% true, but also he was a lot of fun to hang out with. He always had a good time here with Dave Blues.
Yeah. He I think he helped contribute to my hearing loss. I went over on speakers and amplifiers and made my car super loud, so. But yeah, he'll be salary this, so. Let's move on with salary board, report of the executive sessions,
There were none.
public comment, salary board. Do I have a motion to approve the minutes from the October 8th salary board meeting?
So moved, sir.
Second, on the question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess.
Yes.
And Controller
Oh,
Yekenship.
sorry.
One motion for the.
Now, when you talk to Kelsey, I can hear you play the thing, well, you have to say yes. Yes,
Yes.
Yeah. There you go. Should I have a motion to approve the work session, minutes of October 15th?
So moved, sir.
Okay. On the question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess,
Yes.
Controller Yekenship.
Yes.
There you go, there. Human Resource Office.
Yes, commissioners, I have the following, in court administration, create the position secretary 2 per diem effective 10/27/25. And then set the salary of Cheryl Bender for that secretary 2 position at the rate of 15.0924, also effective 10/27/25. In the controller's office, set salary for James Manzik, accountant, auditor, associate, rate is 43,411, effective 11/3/25. In the commissioner's office, set salary for Kim Mashak, chief clerk, $18 an hour, effective 11/3/25. In the commissioner's office, eliminate the position of interim chief clerk, create the position of chief clerk. And set the salary for chief clerk per diem at the rate of $35 an hour, all three of those effective 11/3/25.
Can we do this at 2 o'clock? We can do the court administration, and then can we do the controllers, commissioners, all in one?
It's okay.
Okay. Can I have a motion for the 2 court administration, training position and setting the salary?
So moved, sir.
Second.
On question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess,
Yes.
Controller Yekenship.
Can I have a motion to set the salary for the controller's office? Set the salary and eliminate commissioner's office. Create position, and get the salary for the commissioner's office.
So moved, sir.
Second.
On question?
Commissioner Fedora,
Yes.
Commissioner Heatherington,
Yes.
Commissioner Hess,
Yes.
Controller Yekenship.
Yes.
Any new business?
One turn of working.
Thank you.
Boots, can you give that?
Oh,